Listen and repeat everything you hear.
Good morning, how are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
Fine, thanks.
What are those?
Those are tapes.
And what are those?
Those are recorders.
Who are you?
I'm a teacher. And who are you?
I'm a student.
Who is he?
He's a doctor.
Who is she?
She's a nurse.
Who are they?
They're pilots.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. You will hear the first speaker. Then you record the response.
Good morning, how are you? Fine, thanks. Those are tapes. Those are recorders. I'm a teacher. And who are you? Who is he? Who is she? Who are they? Goodbye.